Hey everyone, welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of bold, plump lips that shine like never before, you're going to want to hear about this product. Today, we're talking about the Stila Plumping Lip Glaze in the shade Kitten. It's designed to give you that glossy, volumized finish while keeping your lips feeling hydrated and smooth. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The stila Plumping Lip Glaze comes in a liquid form with a high shine finish. It's a product that claims to plump and hydrate your lips all at once. As far as ingredients go, the formula contains a blend of nourishing oils and antioxidants, which are supposed to enhance your lips' natural fullness. It's also worth mentioning that it's designed for all skin types, so this could be a great universal lip product to add to your collection. Now, let's talk about how it feels during wear. I started using this as part of my daily routine and immediately noticed the glossy finish. It's smooth without being overly sticky, which is a big plus for me. The applicator is a twist-up pen, which releases the perfect amount of product with every use, making application easy and mess-free. When you apply it, you get a slight tingle on your lips, which is the plumping effect kicking in. It's not too intense, but definitely noticeable. In terms of how it performs throughout the day, the gloss itself is surprisingly long-lasting, but I did find myself reapplying it every few hours, especially after eating or drinking. The shine holds up well, but the plumping effect doesn't last as long, so you might need a touch-up if you're after that fuller look throughout the day. As for the shade Kitten, it's a beautiful, universally flattering nude pink with a subtle shimmer that adds a bit of dimension. It's a color that would suit a wide variety of skin tones, and the gloss really brings out the shine in your lips, making them look fuller without being over the top. When it comes to the pros, I'd say the ease of use is definitely a highlight. The formula is lightweight, non-sticky, and offers that beautiful plump and shiny finish. It's a versatile shade that can be worn on its own or layered over other lip products. It also has a pleasant minty scent, which is a nice touch. On the downside, while the gloss is long-lasting, the plumping effect doesn't stay around for too long. So if you're after a more permanent volumizing effect, you might not find that here. The price point is also something to consider. While not overly expensive, it is a higher-end product, so you're paying for the brand name and that glossy, luxurious feel. In terms of value for money, it's really about what you're looking for. If you're into high shine, plumping glosses, and don't mind reapplying, then the Stila Plumping Lip Glaze is definitely a great choice. However, if you're looking for something that offers longer-lasting volume, you might want to consider other options. When comparing it to other lip glosses on the market, there are a few alternatives that offer similar shine and plumping effects. But Stila does set itself apart with the quality of the formula. If you're on a budget, there are cheaper glosses out there, but they may not have the same smooth texture or skin-benefiting ingredients. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and compact. It's perfect for slipping into your bag for quick touch-ups, and the applicator makes it easy to apply on the go without making a mess. There's no complaints here in terms of packaging. It's solid and functional. I haven't needed to reach out to customer service with Stila, but from my experience with the brand, they're generally known for good customer service, with quick responses to inquiries. When it comes to product alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable, you could check out the NYX Butter Gloss range, which offers similar finishes at a lower price. Or, if you're willing to splurge a little more, the Fenty Gloss Balm offers a high shine effect and a bit more hydration. Wrapping up, the Stila Plumping Lip Glaze in Kitten is a solid pick if you're looking for a gloss that adds both shine and a subtle plumping effect. It's not going to give you dramatic volume, but it does give you a beautiful, glossy finish with nourishing ingredients. If you enjoy high-quality lip products and don't mind reapplying throughout the day, this is definitely worth trying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the Stila Plumping Lip Glaze, drop a comment below. We'd love to know your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you next time.